Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a picture in the CapCut app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into photo editor, then we tap on a picture that we want to edit, then we tap on add, and here we just tap on the picture, and in the bottom row we have replace. We tap on this, and then we can just select the picture that we want to replace the original with, and as you can see, that's pretty much it. And that's pretty much how you can do this. Like this. So yeah, I guess that's basically pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.